Puss, I'm sorry. I didn't mean it, really.
Hey Steve, what are you doing?
Oh yeah, dude, I'm just typing an FML.
What's that?
It's a fudge my life. Duh.
Well, what's it about?
Just writing about how I have to put my cat down.
Oh really? Why do you have to put your cat down?
He started acting up a few weeks ago, and I don't want this to happen to anybody else.
Oh, it's hideous! What happened?
I wonder if the playing I used to do with him might have anything to do with his behavior. Nah.
Damn it, I'm out of toilet paper. Ugh. Oh, thank God. Charmin Ultra Strong. Still rolls in. Hello?
Hey, can you put my cat down for me? I can't get him to stop attacking. And I mean, I love him too much to do it myself.
Yeah, sure, I'll do it, buddy. Alright, but, how much are you gonna pay me?
I'm not gonna pay you!
So, you're the one that's been causing all the trouble, eh? Well, I came here to know this.
Bootsy, it's time for dinner. Puss? What are you doing here? I thought I sent you to get put down. Oh no. Boots? Boots? Puss, I'm sorry. I didn't mean it, really.
Well, I took care of that little cat for you, buddy. Steve? Steve?
Oh my gosh! Steve? Oh no, buddy?
Steve?